Kia's all-new Picanto X-Line goes on sale today, boasting SUV-inspired visuals and a 1.25-liter petrol engine. The £12,595 price tag refers to the 1.25 petrol and 5-speed manual pairing, whereas the 4-speed automatic option is available for an additional £650. In X-Line trim, the Picanto is longer, wider and taller than conventional city cars and features rugged looks and an increased ground clearance by approximately 15 mm (0.59 inches). Lime green highlights on the grille and fog lamp surrounds help the Picanto X-Line stand out, as does the black cladding around the side sills and wheel arches. Meanwhile, the exterior door handles are finished in body color, while the twin exhaust outlets, 16 inches alloys, shark fin antenna and LED lights give the car a more aggressive look. Inside it has lime green stitching on the flat-bottom steering wheel, gear lever and armrests, a 7-inch touchscreen display with DAB radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus faux leather upholstery, satin chrome interior, door handles, stainless steel pedals with rubber insert screws, control automatic air conditioning and keyless entry. In addition, the Picanto X-Line is also fitted with autonomous emergency braking, AEB, as standard. The 1.25-liter 4-cylinder engine in the Picanto X-Line serves up 83 horses and 122 Nm, 90 pounds-to-foot, of torque, and was extensively re-engineered for the launch of the all-new Picanto last year.